Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to move on to the next demonstration. This is our Alpha 60 flake fed machine. So basically, you can see here we have a flake feeder. So this would be for customers who already size reduce their materials. The material can be fed into the flake feeder either manually, or a customer can use an auger screw, etc., to feed the material directly into the top of the flake feeder. At the bottom of the flake feeder, we have an auger. It's an inverter-controlled auger. The feeding speed is tied into the load on the extruder motor. We go into this machine, the Alpha S. This is a 60mm extruder. You'll see it has a very short screw. It's an 8:1 L to D screw ratio. Because it's an offline system, because the material could have some contamination, we have one of our manual screen changers. And primarily, we find these machines are used for materials other than PE. So polypropylene, for instance, but materials that need a water-cooled system. So this particular machine has the hydrocool water-cooled system. This is our smallest pelletizer. Again, from here, we're going to blow through the pipework back to the weight measurement system. So again, I'll pass you over to Matteo, and he'll get the machine running.